Today we are going to be showing you how to troubleshoot fault code 3597:2 power supply lost with ignition on your JLG machine. The engine control module, ECM, receives unswitched battery power through a wire connected directly to the battery positive post. The ECM then receives switched power from the keys which when turned to the on position. Some possible causes for this fault are: a faulty battery, a faulty ECM battery fuse, alternator not charging, or rubbed or broken wires in the engine harness. Troubleshooting steps. 1. Verify the battery has at least 12.5 volts between the positive and negative post and then try to start the machine to make sure it maintains battery voltage while cranking. If you have the proper voltage, you will need to find the 30 amp inline ECM battery power fuse coming from the battery positive post. If you do not have the proper voltage, either charge the battery if you are able to do so or replace it with a new battery. If you do not have the proper voltage and the machine can be started, check to see if the battery is being charged by the alternator. If battery is not charging, troubleshoot the alternator system to get the battery to charge. 2. Check the 30 amp inline ECM battery power fuse to make sure it is not defective or has a buildup of corrosion in the terminal sockets. If it's defective or has corrosion, replace it or clean it as needed. 3. Using the proper service manual, find the electrical schematic and determine what ECM pins should have battery voltage on them. If they do not have battery voltage, inspect the engine harness back to the battery positive post and repair as needed. Thanks for watching. You can find all the parts and equipment used in this video over on our website GCIron.com.